Have you ever wondered just how much data YouTube saves every single day? Or how much it costs to keep all those millions of videos online? The numbers are going to shock you. Let's start with the jaw-dropping amount of data YouTube handles. Every minute, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. That's equivalent to about 30,000 hours of content every hour. And in just one day, YouTube stores over 720,000 hours of video content. To put it in perspective, YouTube saves more than 2 petabytes of data every single day. That's enough data to fill over 500,000 DVDs every day. It's no wonder YouTube is one of the largest data consumers on the planet, but all this data storage doesn't come cheap. YouTube relies on a vast network of data centers worldwide, costing the company a significant amount just to keep the videos online and accessible. The estimated cost of storing this much data daily? An eye-watering $10 million per day in infrastructure and maintenance costs. Imagine spending that much just to keep your content accessible. Now, let's talk about the other side of the equation, YouTube's earnings. With billions of views every day, YouTube's ad revenue is staggering. On average, YouTube earns approximately $34 million per day from ads alone. This includes revenue from pre-roll ads, banner ads, and sponsored content, which keep those data centers running smoothly. So, while YouTube spends millions just to store and manage all that video content, it's still one of the most profitable platforms in the world, thanks to its powerful advertising engine.